everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we are going to be talking teeth. Yes, teeth. I got contacted a little while ago by a company in the US and asked to review their teeth whitening system that they have. Now I have used teeth whitening systems before, mostly natural ones, and I also use a tooth whitening toothpaste. And I've had various levels of success with those. Partly because I do have calcification in my teeth, which is where you get white spots that appear. I've also got quite translucentness to the bottom of my teeth, which basically when I was younger I had a few health conditions which just meant that I didn't get the best quality teeth that I could have done. My family are renowned for just having really bad teeth, so I was very unlucky. However, I do really think that when considering a teeth whitening system, it's really important to look at the overall condition of your teeth and say, can I do this now? Do I have to wait? What's going on in my life? Can I really commit to really investing time into doing this at this time? And it has taken me a little bit longer than normal, or what I would have liked to be able to do this review, because I wanted to make sure that I was doing a really good job at trying this product and making sure I was giving it the best opportunity to improve the quality of the whiteness of my teeth. The product I'm talking about is a company called Smile Brilliant, and they are in the US. They're amazing. They've been so understanding and so helpful, because I've been doing a little bit and then having to start, having to stop, all that sort of stuff. But I feel like we are on the right track now, which is great. And I think you can tell from my teeth in this video that they look pretty shiny. I'm going to insert a really quick picture of my teeth before I started doing the teeth whitening, and if you don't like looking at people's teeth close up, look away now. Yeah, so they were my teeth, and yeah, I don't have the straightest teeth, I don't have the best conditioned teeth, I know that, but I was hoping that, you know, this would give me a little bit more confidence with my teeth. So I said, yeah, I would definitely want to try your teeth whitening kit because it sounded really interesting. So, hashtag Smile Brilliant, smile fearlessly, love it. Yeah, so when it comes, this is basically what you get, which all looks kind of scary, but when I talk you through the products that are in here, it will make a lot more sense. So, you get a range of cards. So there is a little bit of reading to do, but there is also a help contact details if you need to contact anybody and you just kind of lose the information or you want to check what you're doing is correct. First of all, you get these. Now these allow you to make personal impressions of your teeth. I mean, how crazy is that? So you literally, you create with, so you put these two putties together. One is called the catalyst and one is called the base. You mix the two together and then you press them into the mould. So once you've pressed them into the mould, you would put this in your mouth with the mould for up to 3 minutes. And once it's hardened, you take it out, you leave it on the side, rest it, and do the lower. So I'm just going to give you a quick impression of what doing one of these looks like, just so you kind of have an idea. Just like that. And then you're going to put it in your mouth. Once you've got your mould all done and dusted, it comes with a little bag. You pop it in the little bag and you send it off to the mould manufacturers. I'm based in the UK and it took me about, gosh, how long did it take? It took about 2.5 weeks, I would say, for the moulds to come back. So this is the little pot that they turned up in, and this says Smile Brilliant, and it's just like a little container. Now I basically didn't really expect much from these, but was just amazed at how friggin' awesome they are. Literally, it is my teeth. So I'm just going to show you how they work. So that's it, they are in. So it does leave you talking with a bit of a lisp, but it's just like a rubber seal that goes around your teeth. And what's really good about this in comparison to other teeth whitening systems which I have used is that you don't feel like you're uncomfortable. Like when you take the mould impressions, that's really uncomfortable because it's something quite big. I've got quite a little mouth, so having something that fits my teeth really well just means that I can kind of get on and do whatever I'm doing around the house while I'm whitening my teeth. If I'm doing housework or anything like that and it's not too uncomfortable, I mean, you know it's there, but you know, if you had to answer the door or something like that, you're not going to be like, oh bugger, someone's not really going to notice like very quickly. Once you've got your moulds, you've got them forever. You can use them time and time again, and yeah, you just then need your gels. So these are what the gels look like, and you can buy extra packs, and let's have a little look. So you get 3 whitening gels and 3 desensitization gels, and basically you, depending on how your teeth are is how you can use these, but they do come with little instruction cards. So you've got the instruction card for the dental impressions, and then you've got the instruction cards for the whitening gel and the desensitization gel. So this is one of the syringes. Okay, and you can get about 6 goes out of one of these syringes, and if you put them in the fridge, their lifespan is meant to be longer. And literally all you would do is take the cap off and you just insert the gel in a line along the front of your impression and then pop it in your mouth. And then you can use this for up to 3 hours, from 45 minutes to 3 hours. When I started off doing 20 minutes and then brushing my teeth and then going in with the desensitization gel, and then desensitization gel first and then going in for 30 minutes. I'm now up to 45 minutes, which I feel is the right level for me. You might say you've got much heavier staining, or you're looking for a very, very white tooth, so you might want to go longer, but it just depends on you. I think you've got to work out the way that it's going to work for you best. I've been using quite a lot of the desensitization gel because I have calcification. I spoke to them quite a lot and length on the by email, and just said that I was getting like more visibility of my white spots than I was very happy with, and they said just stop doing your whitening for a minute, put some more desensitization gel on it, have a keep going with that for a little bit longer, because that will help increase the mineralization on the teeth, and then you know, just carry on with your whitening, but like a slower pace. So that's what I've been doing, and I've been really impressed with the results. Actually, I feel like I'm not like suddenly my teeth are like bright sparkling white, but they are becoming a more like a really nice, healthy, clean, not somebody who drinks 20 cups of tea a day or was a smoker for 20 years teeth. They look really nice and shiny and white and healthy, to the best of what they can be, which is exactly what I was hoping for. So yeah, I really am impressed with the product. So just one more thing before I forget, if you are interested, there is a giveaway hosted by Smile Brilliant. If you want to win $149 worth of Smile Brilliant teeth whitening, then click on the link below, and even if you don't win, you will get an amazing discount. So go and check that out. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will link all the details for them in my description box below. I am smiling fearlessly today and loving the fact that I can do. So yeah, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.